How to calculate hidden goodwill? Hidden goodwill, which is hidden in the capital, right? Hidden goodwill, and goodwill is hidden in the capital. How to calculate hidden goodwill? We'll solve it with the help of an example. A and B, two partners are there. They are sharing profits in the ratio 5:3. C is admitted for 1/6 share. He brings 1,60,000 as capital, and capital of A and B are given to us as 3 lakh and 2,50,000 respectively. How we will solve this question? C's capital is 1,60,000 for 1/6 share. That means C is bringing 1,60,000 for 1/6 share. So what will be the firm's capital on the basis of C? On the basis of C, firm's capital should be 1,60,000 into 6, 9,60,000. 1/6 शेयर के लिए 1,60,000 है बेटा, तो फर्म का शेयर है टोटल 1, तो फर्म का कैपिटल कितना होगा 1,60,000 इंटू 6/1, दैट इज 9,60,000. एंड अदरवाइज कैपिटल ऑफ द फर्म इज ए बी और सी का कैपिटल कितना है बेटा 3 लाख ए का, बी का 2,50,000, सी का 1,60,000, टोटल इज 7,10,000. According to C, capital should be 9,60,000 and total capital of A, B and C is 7,10,000. So why C is bringing more capital? Due to goodwill. So firm's goodwill will be 9,60,000 minus 7,10,000. That is 2,50,000. Remember, this is firm's goodwill beta. We need to calculate C's share of goodwill because C is being admitted. तो हमें सी की गुडविल निकालनी है 2,50,000 इंटू 1/6. इट मे कम इन पॉइंट्स. इट वॉज कमिंग 2,50,000 डिवाइडेड बाय 6, राइट. 2,50,000 divided by 6. We will solve it and it is coming 41. 6 4s are 24. Remainder 1. 6 1s are 6. Remainder 4. 0 6 6 are 36. 6.66. So we'll round it off. 41,667. If there is any doubt in any calculation in any point, please ask me in live classes. Right, beta? It may come in points. It will be 41,667. Now new partner is bringing capital. Okay. The first entry is cash account debit to C's capital account 1,60,000. And C's current account. New partner is not bringing goodwill in cash. We will debit C's current account. When new partner fails to bring goodwill in cash, his current account is to be debited. C's current account debit to A's capital to B's capital in 5:3. We will divide this 41,667 in 5:3. 41,667 into 5 by 8 and 41,667 into 3 by 8. And we'll write it over here in A's capital and B's capital. प्लीज रिमेंबर यहाँ पे फर्म की गुडविल नहीं आएगी, सिर्फ सी का शेयर ऑफ गुडविल डेबिट होगा बेटा, राइट. अनदर टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन विच में कम इन हिडन गुडविल इज, अभी हमको बेटा ए और बी का कैपिटल गिवन था. अब हम क्वेश्चन ले रहे हैं पी एंड क्यू ओल्ड पार्टनर्स 3:2. आर इज एडमिटेड फॉर 1/4 शेयर. वी आर एडमिटिंग आर फॉर 1/4 शेयर and he brings 3 lakh as capital. Assets and liabilities of A, P and Q firm were 10 lakh and 2 lakh. Assets 10 lakh, liabilities 2 lakh. तो ये 8 lakh कैपिटल, एसेट्स माइनस लाइबिलिटीज. 8 lakh कैपिटल किसका है बेटा? ये P और Q का कैपिटल है, राइट. R is bringing 3 lakh for 1/4 share. तो firm's capital will be 3 lakh into 4, 12 lakh. First step is similar. जैसे प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन में था बेटा, फर्स्ट स्टेप इज सिमिलर. 3 lakh into 4, 12 lakh. अब टोटल कैपिटल ऑफ पी क्यू एंड आर. पी क्यू का कैपिटल 8 lakh है. अब 12 lakh में से 8 lakh माइनस नहीं होगा बेटा, 3 lakh आर का कैपिटल भी प्लस होगा. टोटल कैपिटल ऑफ पी क्यू एंड आर. तो फर्म्स गुडविल विल बी 12 lakh माइनस 11 lakh, दैट इज 1 lakh. दिस इज फर्म्स गुडविल. वी नीड आर शेयर ऑफ गुडविल. 1 lakh into 1/4, 25,000. Cash account debit to R's capital 3 lakh. Right? 3 lakh he is bringing. And 25,000 is his share of goodwill. R's current to P's capital to Q's capital. R's current is to be debited, and that is to be given to P and Q. 25,000 in the ratio 3:2. That is 25,000 into 3 upon 5 and 25,000 into 2 upon 5. Got the point? Now, one more case. We can take one more example on this hidden goodwill, in which along with capital we have been given revaluation profit 1 lakh, general reserve 50,000, and goodwill is already appearing in the balance sheet. O is admitted for 1/4 share, 1/5 share. M and N are partners, their ratio is 4:1. O is admitted for 1/5 share, which he acquire from M. सिर्फ M से लिया बेटा, तो सिर्फ किसने सैक्रिफाइस किया? M ने सैक्रिफाइस किया, राइट? 4/5 में से M ने 1/5 दे दिया. M is left with 3/5. So new ratio will be 3:1:1. Who is sacrificing? Only M is sacrificing. O brings 6 lakh as capital. For 1/5 share, 6 lakh as capital. So what will be the firm's capital? 6 lakh into 5, 30 lakh. First step. कैपिटल ऑफ एम एंड एन आर 8 लाख और 7 लाख. अब हम 8 लाख और 7 लाख नहीं लेंगे बेटा, यहाँ पर 8 लाख 7 लाख कैपिटल है. ओ के एडमिशन पे रिवैल्यूएशन प्रॉफिट है 1 लाख. दैट रिवैल्यूएशन प्रॉफिट इज टू बी डिवाइडेड इन ओल्ड रेशियो. जनरल रिजर्व 50,000 डिवाइडेड इन ओल्ड रेशियो, एंड गुडविल विच ऑलरेडी अपीयर इन द बैलेंस शीट दैट इज टू बी रिटर्न ऑफ इन ओल्ड रेशियो. जो रिमेनिंग बैलेंस आएगा एडजस्टेड कैपिटल ऑफ एम एंड एन. That means we need to calculate adjusted capital by preparing partners capital account. So we will add adjusted capital 9,04,000, 7,26,000 plus O's capital is 6 lakh. Total is 22,30,000. 30 lakh capital according to O's capital, and otherwise the total capital is 22,30,000. So we will calculate goodwill. 30 lakh minus 22,30,000, 7,70,000. This is firm's goodwill. O's share of goodwill will be 7,70,000 into 1/5. This is 1,54,000. O is bringing 6 lakh. That is cash account debit to O's capital account. When we pass journal entry cash account debit to O's capital account, it comes here by cash. That is first entry is cash to O's capital, and next entry will be O's current account debit to M. यहाँ सेक्रीफाइस सिर्फ M ने किया था, तो हम N को गुडविल नहीं देंगे, सिर्फ M को देंगे. एंड ऑलवेज रिमेंबर ओनली न्यू पार्टनर्स शेयर ऑफ गुडविल, नॉट फुल गुडविल. फर्म्स गुडविल इज 7,70,000. वी विल टेक ओनली 1,54,000 फ्रॉम O. Got the point? In case of any doubt, please, in live classes we will discuss. Thank you so much, Peter.